everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's This Wiccan Girl here, and I have brought to you another walkthrough. This time we're looking at the Enchanted Map Oracle cards by baron-reid, and it is a 54 card deck and guidebook, and it is a Hay House production. I mentioned in my last video that I had a rough voice. As you can hear, my voice is slightly back, but I am deaf in one ear. I am still ill. I'm sneezing all over the place and all that jazz. But because I couldn't bring a live video to my group today, I really wanted to make sure that I got a YouTube video out. So if I sound a bit funny, or I go a bit quiet, or I go a bit loud because I can't hear myself, I am so sorry. I am doing my best. So we are looking at the Enchanted Map Oracle today, and let's first have a look at the guidebook here. So it is a nice thick guidebook. It tells you a little bit about the guidebook and Colette on the back. Flick through, it's just like any deck that we have seen by Hay House. It gives you an introduction, how to use the cards and layouts and things like that, and then we get into the cards themselves. So they are numbered, which is fab. I love numbered cards. It gives you an upright and a reversed read with these cards too, which is superb. It gives you the little saying that is on the card, and then gives you a little quote here. So gentle gardener is be your own person, be a conscious co-creator, and there we go. So it looks like quite a nice bit of information there that we can work with, which is really good. And then we've got a little bit from the artist here, Gina Delagrotte Aglia. Oh, I've probably mispronounced that, and I'm so sorry. So she is the artist, and there we go, that's the guidebook. So I'm going to crack on with the cards right now, and this is the back, and how stunning are they? Absolutely gorgeous. And as I said in the book, it gives you a reversed meaning, and you can totally reverse these, which is good. No gilding, but this gold edge is absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop on a bit of music, as always, flick through so I'm not wearing my voice out. You can have a look as you wish, and that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.